Ready for a change? These 20 shaggy layers will transform your look. Classic mid-length shag. This cut is perfect for women over 40 with fine hair who want to boost natural volume and achieve effortless daily texture. Texturized Choppy Bob. Designed for women over 40 seeking a modern, low-maintenance look that sharpens the jawline and adds structured movement to limp hair. Layered shag with curtain bangs. An excellent choice for framing round faces and softening facial features, while concealing forehead lines beautifully. Short pixie shag. Tailored for active women over 40 who prefer ultra-short, edgy styles that provide an instant crown lift and a youthful vibe. Wavy textured shag. Ideal for enhancing natural waves, reducing bulk from thick hair types, and providing a relaxed, beachy aesthetic for mature women. Modern wolf cut for older women. Perfect for bold personalities wanting a trendy combination of a shag and a mullet that accentuates the cheekbones beautifully. Long layered shag with wispy bangs. Suited for women who want to keep their length but need wispy layers to add fullness and avoid a flat, weighed-down appearance. Curly shag haircut. Excellent for defining natural ringlets, preventing a triangular shape, and creating bouncing volume that radiates youthful energy. Razor cut shag. Best for fine-haired women over 40 looking for wispy, separated ends that deliver a gritty, rock-and-roll vibe with zero effort. Feathered shag haircut. A sophisticated choice for creating backward-swept movement that softens mature features and adds timeless elegance to thick hair. Asymmetrical shag. Perfect for trendy, fashion-forward women over 40 who want an uneven, eye-catching edge that draws attention away from asymmetry. Choppy shoulder-length shag. An all-around flattering length that elongates the neck while providing piecewise layers that lift thin hair easily. Messy crown shag. Excellent for flat crowns. It injects instant height and fullness at the top of the head, ideal for thinning hair textures. Face framing shag with long bangs. Great for slimming the face appearance while drawing direct attention to the eyes and cheekbones for a youthful focus. Edgy textured layers. Perfect for women over 40 who want to stand out with a bold, contemporary cut that emphasizes movement and high-fashion style. Casual layered mid-shag. A relaxed, everyday style that flatters oval faces and requires minimal styling products to maintain its bounce. Wispy layered shag for thinning hair. Specifically engineered to add density illusions, making it an exceptional option for camouflaging sparse areas gently. Soft feathery shag bob. Combines the neatness of a bob with the movement of a shag, softening square face shapes and harsh jawlines wonderfully. Choppy shag for thick hair. The ultimate solution for bulky textures, shedding weight while creating structured layers that keep thick locks modern and light. Volumizing pixie shag. Perfect for women over 40 looking to achieve maximum height and density, transforming flat hair into a modern masterpiece.